Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very special one. Today marks 3 years since I started my YouTube journey, and I just want to take this time quickly just to thank every single person that has been here with me since the beginning. The YouTube life is not easy, from filming, editing, to getting the video up and to come up with ideas that you guys will really enjoy. I really appreciate every single person that watches my videos, that likes, that shares, that comments on my videos. All of that does not go unnoticed. I just want to pray that God blesses all of you as you watch me, because you don't know how much of a blessing you are to me. The journey has not been easy, but I thank God for the strength and the determination to keep going through all the times where I said I didn't want to do it anymore. I'm still here 3 years later. For those of you that have stuck by me, thank you so much, because I know I'm a bit of a headache. I'm not that consistent, but I'm trying. I'm really trying. I actually do film videos and then I just hate it and I can't just put up any old willy-nilly content. But yeah, here's to the future of me on YouTube. And you guys, just let's communicate. Let me know what you want to see so I can get it up for you guys. I've got some ideas for my channel and I just hope that I can execute them, but God willing that will come to life. I filmed a tutorial because that's what you guys know me for. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys are feeling this look, and yeah, for you guys out there who continuously show me love, I appreciate you. God bless you, and bye.
I've been down so in love like I've been down so in love like in love like I've been down so